Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is an air fried cookie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a single serve air fried cookie. This is a chocolate chip cookie. It's going to be low carb, keto friendly, and most importantly, you guys already know, delicious. All of the ingredients and the measurements are going to be down in the description below. All you're going to need is your air fryer and a ramekin. Now, a ramekin is like a ceramic dish that you can put into an oven or an air fryer. So any ceramic dish that's oven safe will do. I'm going to be using this ramekin right here. And first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take some avocado oil spray and I'm going to spray the inside of the ramekin. Now, if you don't have avocado oil spray, you could use any kind of neutral oil spray. Do not use olive oil. It doesn't have a high heat point. I don't recommend it for this. Also, it adds a flavor that just doesn't go with this recipe at all. So either you can use butter to butter the inside of the ramekin or use the avocado oil spray. Next, we can start dumping our ingredients into a separate bowl. I'm gonna take some almond flour and some stevia brown sugar. This is a brown sugar alternative. And I'm just gonna take my hand and I'm going to combine all these ingredients together. You could also whisk it together or use a fork to mix this together. Sometimes with the brown sugar, you have to break it up a little bit just because of the nature of brown sugar. Next, I'm going to add some baking soda, not baking powder. And this now I can whisk together with a fork. Next, we're going to add some melted butter. I love this recipe because it's literally so simple. If you are on a low carb diet, likely you have these ingredients already at home. You don't need to go out of your way to buy anything. And sometimes you don't want to make a whole batch of cookies. You just want to make one single serve cookie. Or if you wanted to double the ingredients, you could make 2 cookies for you and your partner, whatever you want. Really, really simple. And next we're going to add in some egg yolks. Just the egg yolk, not the whole egg. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Combining that egg yolk in with the other ingredients. I'm now also going to add a drop of vanilla extract. Just a little drop. It's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And lastly, some Stevia Sweetened Dark Chocolate Chips. These are the ones by Lily's. I've linked it in my Amazon links down in the description below. You could use milk chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, whatever chocolate chips you want will do. I'm now gonna take my cookie dough and I'm just gonna dump it into the ramekin. And I know it doesn't seem like there's a lot in here, but it will expand. We have baking soda in this recipe. So I'm just going to spread it out. Honestly, whatever kind of size ramekin you have will do. Just make sure it's not too big. So I'm spreading this out evenly. I don't want any of my chocolate chips to be loose. So if I see that, I'm just gonna fold them back into the dough. And I'm kind of forming it into a perfect circle in the center of the ramekin because I wanna make sure I don't have any loose ingredients. So once you're done, it's going to look like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ramekin and we're gonna throw it into the air fryer. I have my air fryer set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and we're gonna cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. A little tip about baking. So if you're gonna be putting something in the air fryer versus the oven, that is perfectly fine. The air fryer is less messy. Sometimes, most recipes that you can bake, you can put in the air fryer as well. Just lower the temperature by 25 degrees and it'll be just perfect. It'll be just like cooking it in the oven. Our cookie is finished. Mine actually took a little bit less time. It took about 12 minutes for this instance. So maybe check around 10 minutes just to see how much more you need. Although on average, it will take between 15 to 20 minutes. Cookie is absolutely perfect. You could put some vanilla ice cream if you want on top of this, some low sugar vanilla ice cream. I'm so excited to do a taste test. Let's take a bite. Cheers. Easy, low carb, sugar-free cookie, perfect texture, a little bit crispy on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.